What's up, everybody? Welcome to Adult Seeking Knowledge. I'm Cheryl Donnelly. Today, I will be giving you tips on relocating to another state. Grab your boxes and let's get moving. People move for many different reasons. I like to start my move out with a life plan. Sort of like a business plan for your business, but this is a life plan. I start my plan out with eating my P's. P, preparation. E, evaluation. A, accountability. And S, sustainability. So let's break that down. P, preparation. Prepping to move. Let's develop a life plan. Let's establish your budget. Are you buying, leasing, or renting? Let's research those realtors or even property managers. A moving company. And in that move, make sure you get insurance on that truck. Where are you moving to? Let's research the laws, the culture of the neighborhood, possible jobs. Let's start out with a checklist. With that checklist, it's going to help you to establish what you need to do. How do you plan to move? Plane, train, or automobile? And if you are you driving your car or are you having it shipped? Those are some of the things in the preparation stage. Now let's move on to that E, evaluation. Now we're going to talk about the E in P's. The E stands for evaluation. A great start would be checking the mileage from your new home to your job because you don't want to be late. Also, you want to find out where the nearest grocery stores would be, the nearest hospitals, urgent cares, and also the nearest police station. EMS, whatever you think is going to be essential to help you thrive in your new home and your community, do your checks and balances on that as well. Also, the safety of your community. Sometimes you can get on your HOA if you have one of those, or there's an app called Nextdoor. Also, crimes.com, 911.com, they give some great information on the safety of your community. Now we're going to talk about the A in P's. The A stands for accountability. Remember, this is your move, your life. Don't forget to change your driver's license, your mailing address, and your voter registration. Remember to transfer your utilities and your water, because you don't want to be paying two bills. Research your state laws. No two states have the same laws. Find out who your politicians are and what issues or concerns they support. Make sure they align with your goals and values. Research homeowners insurance or rental insurance to protect yourself and your assets. Research your Board of Education if you have those small children. Now let's move to the final step of our P's. Oh, and speaking of accountability, I forgot to mark this fragile. You're in your new state. Now what? We're going to talk about the S in P's, which is sustainability. You're going to want to maintain the life that you have now, this new life, and you want it to be encouraging, not discouraging. And you're going to start to wonder, what am I going to do for fun? Well, I'll tell you. There are so many different apps out there that you can use. There is Ticketmasters, there is Eventbrite, you have Nextdoor. Now Nextdoor is actually going to help you to know what's going on in your neighborhood, as well as you can join different groups within your neighborhood. And that's going to help you with socialization as well. You can even get on moving.com, they have many groups on there. And then your typical, let's say IG, Facebook, YouTube, those can also be used in order to, maintain the lifestyle that you want to have as far as social. And then you could get on Tinder. And also in sustaining, you want to reevaluate your budget. Your lifestyle has changed. You have a new job. Your income could increase or it could decrease depending on that lifestyle. So I suggest that you come up with a new budget. That's going to help you to sustain that lifestyle. Well, that's the end of this episode on Adult Seeking Knowledge. Again, I'm Cheryl Donnelly, and I hope that you gained some tips to help you be successful on your road to victory. So eat your peas and live your life.